All right, today we're starting with the heavy pull on the deadlift. We've got 4 sets of 2. We haven't done super heavy deadlifts super frequently over this cycle. It's not as big of a focus for our snatch and clean and jerk. And for today, I'm going to give you the option of doing the mixed grip deadlift, which is probably going to be what you would consider your max deadlift, or the weight that you're able to, or the most weight you're able to move in the deadlift is with that mixed grip, or a double overhand grip to simulate a little bit more of the clean, right? But we are going for heavy weight. We're not going for speed of the barbell here for 2 reps. And the other thing we want to keep in mind is these are going to be dead stop deadlifts, meaning we're going to set that barbell down on the floor, kind of get reset for the next pull, and then pull the bar off the ground. We're not going to bounce the bar and do those 2 reps. So if we're not feeling great today, that 85% to 95% of the 2 rep max is where we want to try to hover. And obviously, if you're feeling a little fatigued, we're going to want to sit closer to that 85% than 95. We've got gymnastics and monostructural movements today in a buy-in interval workout. So at the start of each round, you're going to perform 5 ring dip, then 10 burpee, and then 15 box jump. Just going to perform that 1 time through, and then in the remaining time of 4 minutes, you're going to perform a max calorie echo bike. Now, at the end of those 4 minutes, you're going to get a 1-minute rest before you start the next round. And you're going to perform that for 4 total cycles. Goal calories per round are going to be anywhere from 8 upwards of 16. And I do want to add, today's going to be a great one for potentially biting off a little bit more difficult version of the ring dip. If you have to always scale that movement, try a more difficult scale today, or get as many reps of the regular ring dip in as you can. And the reason that I say that is you should be able to get to that echo bike pretty reasonably within that 4 minutes covering those 3 movements, right? We should have time on that echo bike almost no matter what. And I'm not asking for a huge amount of ring dips, right? It's just 5. It's at the very start. It's the first thing you're going to do. So today is a good opportunity to try to move that scale into the direction of getting closer. Accessories are going to be banded hamstring curls. Try to use maybe a little bit heavier band. Stretch that band a little bit further. If you've done this one before, click that link if you're not sure how to perform the movement. That is it for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow.